Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to English Seco with Atul Tyagi. I am Atul Tyagi and in today's video I am going to talk a real life topic. The topic name is the importance of time. What is the importance of time? How time is important in our life? So let's start our discussion. Time is the one of the most important part in our life. We can buy clothes, we can buy a mobile, we can make friend easily again, but we can never get time back that has passed. So we should use our time. So what is the time? Our first question is that what is the time? So time is the life. Everyone has the same amount of time. Every person has 24 hours in a day. So there is no difference in the amount of time. What is the difference? The difference is in how we use it. The difference in use, that most of the people are using their time to grow, to learn, to achieve the success, and on the other hand most people are using their time to watching reels and unnecessary content. They are wasting their time and later regret on it. Why time is important? Time helps us to achieve our goal. Every successful person respects time, respect discipline. So if you want to become a teacher, doctor, engineer, pilot, politician, whoever you want, you must use your time wisely. Without proper time management, success becomes very difficult. So we should use our time wisely and make a proper time management list and try to achieve your goals. And whenever we follow a daily routine, more empowered, more productive, and more confident. So the next point is very especially for the students. So time is very especially for the students. Let's see an example that there are two students and they studies in the same class. The first one student studies daily and continuously. He doesn't want to break his consistency. And the second student who does not study daily. He studies only before one day the exam. Then who will have great mark? Who will pass the exam easily? Who will understand the things easily? The answer is obvious. That first one student who studies daily, he will pass the exam easily. He will have more knowledge. He is more usually successful than the other. So learning English is also same, that we practice every day. We don't think that I will start from a perfect day, because perfect day never comes. We have to start from today and start learning English, start practicing. So never wait for a perfect day, start from today if you want to speak fluent English. Then next point is how most of the people are wasting their time. So most of the people are wasting their valuable time on the unnecessary things, like they are watching the reels, they are using the social media, they are watching videos without education. They are not understanding anything, they are not watching educational video. So and they think and they say that I will start from tomorrow, I will start from tomorrow. And you guys, you all guys very well know that tomorrow never comes. We have to start from today, we have to take initiative from today. So how can we use our time wisely? So there are some few points. If you follow these points, then you can also use your time wisely. First of all, wake up early in the morning and make a list, make a target that you have to do these works today. And second thing is that read books daily, read newspaper, and improve your habit. And do meditation, do exercise, spend quality time with your family, and avoid unnecessary distractions. And remember one thing, that every step you take today will help you tomorrow, definitely help you tomorrow, because small things creates a better result. How can we successful with time? That success does not happen over a night. It's built day by day. It is a day by day process, and it depends on our hard work. That how much we work hard also depends on our consistency. That a person who improves 1%, just 1% every day, just 1% every day, then you see the result after 1 year. he is much better than before. So this is the power of consistency. Success is not doing something once, it is the process, doing right thing every and each day. So right now, what is my personal experience? So time is my greatest teacher. He taught me a lot, that every day I want to learn something new, and every video I create helps me become a better speaker. And I am agree with this point that I am not fluent, I am not perfect, but still I am working hard and keep on learning, keep on speaking English. I do not want to break my consistency, because consistency is the power. And one day, definitely I believe that one day I will be fluent in English speaking. That's why I never want to waste my time. So the conclusion is that time is one of the most precious part of our life. Never we should never waste our time. Use it properly, use it wisely, use it to improve yourself, use it to improve your personality, use it to achieve your goals. Because time never waits for anyone. You have to wait for time, you will have to wait for time, but time will never wait for you. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Keep on watching, keep on learning and keep on speaking. Take care. Bye bye. We will meet in the next video with a real life topic.